Hey folks, Coach Marcus here, Las Vegas, Nevada. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. This is a small YouTube channel which is growing into a big one. I now have 91 subscribers as of the date of this recording. But happy beginning of March. Hopefully you guys are having a great start to the 2026 year. We are almost a quarter of the way through the year. Right? So you guys are gonna like this video. I have my notes right here. I don't want to deviate from my notes. But this is a continuation of people who are looking at joining a multi-level marketing business, also known as network marketing. Thing is, people do network marketing every day, but don't get paid for it because we enjoy using products we believe in and sharing those products or services with people we care about. That's what network marketing is. Now, this video, can a brand new person learn a system in 30 days? This is the duplication test. So most people don't fail because they are incapable of doing the business. People fail because the learning curve is too steep. There's too much to learn to be successful. If a brand new person cannot understand and execute your system or a system within 30 days, it is not duplicatable. One of the keys to success in network marketing is having a system that can be learned, done, and taught. That is where you create duplication. So today we're talking about the 30-day duplication test. This is good because complexity kills momentum. And if you confuse people, a confused mind does not do anything. Always remember that. So why 30 days matters. 30 days is enough time to learn the basics, take action, get small wins. Not looking for big wins, just some small wins to have a story to tell. And also 30 days is enough time to build confidence. That's right, confidence. If someone needs 6 months just to quote figure out the system, you're not building a business. You're building confusion. And that's why people quit. And then they say, MLM or network marketing does not work. You have a system. Momentum is fragile early on. That's why you want people to have some small wins with a very simple system to follow. So next is the simplicity error. Can a new person clearly answer these questions? Can they clearly answer these 5 questions? What do I do daily? Who do I talk to? Who do I message? Who do I text? Who do I email? What do I send? When do I follow up? 24 hours, 48 hours, 1 week? How do I enroll someone? That's the key. How do I enroll someone? If they hesitate, the system is too complicated. Being simple wins, always does. And in this business, it does not matter what works. What matters is what duplicates. So early wins create retention. This is where people won't quit. So new reps need a small commission, even if it's $5, $1, they got a commission. People need a product testimonial. They need to use the products. People need a new successful follow-up. New reps need a successful follow-up. Someone that tells them yes, they'll order. New reps need a signed up customer. That builds confidence. Confidence grows from action, not motivation. If there are no early wins built into the system, the dropout rate goes up. People quit. Got to have early wins. Is there a clear 30-day roadmap? That's important. We teach it. We have what's called the franchise factor. We have training several nights a week, but the franchise factor new member orientation is every Wednesday. 4 parts to it. It's amazing. So a real system should include day 1 to 3 setup plus first exposures. Okay. Week 2, first presentation or invitation for people to see a presentation. Week 2, that was week 1. Week 2 is follow-up rhythm. Week 3 is first enrollment. May take 3 weeks to sign somebody up. Perfect. Week 4, they launch their new rep, which is amazing. Amazing. So if there's no roadmap, new reps stall and don't grow and they quit. So structure reduces people feeling overwhelmed. Structure reduces overwhelm. Next, the overtraining trap. Do not fall into this. I once fell into this when I was new in MLM back in 2007. Training, not applying information. So some companies bury new reps in hours of videos, long PDFs or books or manuals, compensation plan deep dives. People think they need to learn everything about the pay plan before they take action to build a business. It was months, I'm telling you, months before I truly understood my company's pay plan, and I've earned over 7 figures. I made the money before I understood the pay plan. Advanced strategies. Now, advanced strategies like what? You don't need to complicate things. Keep it simple. You prospect, you invite, you present the information, you follow up, you sign them up, you onboard and train people, and you promote events. Keep it simple. New people don't need mastery just yet. They'll get that in time. They need movement. They want to see people coming into their pipeline, signing up and ordering. Teach them just enough information to take action, and action builds skills. It also leads to confidence, right? Number 6, duplication, right, means average people winning. When I say winning, average people making money. Simple as that. So this is a test because someone with no sales background, that was me. No social media following, that was me. No public speaking skills, that was me. I had no sales experience or background. Social media wasn't a thing back when I got started. And public speaking. I didn't do that because guess what? I stuttered, and I still stutter now. I had none of that, but can people with no sales background, no social media following, and no public speaking skills, can they still have success? If only charismatic people win, you don't have duplication. You don't have that. You have personality dependence. Okay? Now, here are questions you want to ask. The 30-day evaluation questions. Is there a written 30-day plan? Before you sign up, ask your potential sponsor, is there a written 30-day plan for them to review, or video or something that gives them a plan of action? Number 2, are daily actions simple? A daily action could be as simple as logging into your back office and clicking on 3 links a day in your back office. Simple. Number 3, are early wins built in? Number 4, is training action focused? Number 5, can an average person win quickly? These are 5 questions to ask your potential sponsor before joining that company. So if the answer is no to any one of those 5 questions, reevaluate your decision to join. Now, last thing is this. You don't build multi-level marketing superheroes. I don't do that. We don't do that. We build it with systems ordinary people can follow. The thing is this, the lost art in network marketing is teaching people to teach people to teach people. That's where you create duplication. If it can't be learned in 30 days, it won't scale in 3 years. So that's today's video, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Do me a huge favor. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Spread the word about this currently small YouTube channel. And always remember, guys, God does not want you sick. God does not want you broke. He wants you healthy. He wants you wealthy. He wants you prosperous. Have a great day, and I'll see you on my next video.